Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark and Kitty play. Bath time fun every day. Oh no, Try Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Play. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. It's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Farmer Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
bit burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
oink, 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 oink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Ah. Rooster shouts, cock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
pick grass one, whole field clean. Sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls.
Yummy, yummy.
Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, Farmer Kitty had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. But she ate it all, you know, no. Oh, I'm gone too fast. Nothing left.
Oh, what a blast. E-I-E-I-O. 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 E-I-E-I-o.
Kitty says,
I take it all, yo.
oh no, side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the owl and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train.
Riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding.
4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train.
Riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding.
3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding the train. Rhino riding.
2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. and says, let's ride the Dino train today.
Riding the train, when you're riding the train, when you're riding the train, when you're riding the train, when you're
Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast, how with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check, boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. The numbers are disappearing. Oh no, our numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them, can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Five, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Wow. Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 9. Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around painting adventure is done.